G'day guys, welcome to episode 8 of HT Monaro build. In this episode I'm getting a bloke to come around and install the hood lining for me. It's one of those jobs that I think if you haven't done it before could be a bit tricky. I had a look at a few YouTube videos and that sort of thing and I thought, oh, I don't know if this is for me. So I thought I'd rather pay this guy to do it, you know, get it done right and not have any issues. So I bought a hood lining from Rare Spares. I had all the wires, the four bars and 2 wires numbered, so they go from 1, 2, 3, 4 or the other way around. So I've had them and we'll get that done. So he's coming around shortly. We'll get that done. The other thing, I managed to get the bolt for the steering column. Thank you to Simon Pinniger from I think he's HKTG Parts. I hope I haven't got that wrong. Sorry Simon if I have. Yeah, other than that, that'll be today's job. The other thing I need to do is tomorrow is whip out the diff and measure it up for the new diff. I've ordered the new diff, so I've got some HQ brake parts here. However, that's the HQ backing plates. However, I have ordered brand new drum brakes, the adjusters, adjusters, spring kit, everything I could get new, I got new. Brake drums, and they will go on the, I've got a Ford stud pattern, so they'll have to get re-drilled and put them on the diff. And the only other thing I had to order is I've changed the mounting plate from the old HT setup to the HQ setup. So had to, apparently it's a lot more solid and a better system apparently. So a few people have said that, so I went with that, and I've had to buy the bottom plates that weld onto the diff, and basically where the shocky bolts to. So I've got that coming. When all that stuff comes, I'll give you a better rundown of what it is and why we went that way instead of staying with the HT old style. So other than that, the trimmer is also going to do the tops of these door trims for me. He's doing the crash pad for me for the dash, and he's going to do the parcel shelf for me, kick panels, and I'm just going to order the door trims and I'll sort that out. So once he gets here, we'll get into it and I'll run you through how they do it. Thanks for watching. Well, I've got a bloke around who is installing the hood lining for me, so pretty stoked to get that in. That's going to be good. I'll introduce you in a minute, but here's the hood line. Just got it up out in the sun at the moment. It's pre-made. In fact, this bloke's the one that made it, but I bought it from Rare Spares. So he's going to install that to me. That's just sitting in the sun and get a bit warm, so it stretches a bit easier. Let's go and have a look. So we got Tim over here doing his bit. No, you're right. So going to put some sound and heat insulation in the roof. It's the thin lining. I've got some other stuff up here, but Tim tells me it's not the right stuff. That's more for under the carpet. So anyway, that's going to go up under there. I'll have to get new lights. You can see those. These lights are seen better days, so they'll have to get replaced. But in the meantime, I'll let Tim do his thing. These bows, when we pulled these out, They all come in numbered order, so you don't stuff them up. Apparently they're different sizes or something, so they're all numbered. Four main ones and two spring ones. So pretty easy job, Tim. Someone who knows what they're doing.
Apart from when people put blade screws in. I hate blade screws.
Yeah. Yeah. Right, let's see how it goes. So spraying the glue on, Tim.
Get high at the same time. There's a charge for
It does stink, doesn't it?
that. I don't smell it anymore.
No, enjoy your work.
Someone's done a repair. I've got an extra hole up there. Holden guy down here, restorers have them, or?
Yes, I have bought some
Yeah.
parts from him.
These sort of a rare spares.
Distributor, yeah. So this is the lining that'll, it's only thin, that'll go onto the roof. Car Builder's insulator. Sprayed glue on there, even though it's got a sticky background. I think the glue would make it stay better.
Yeah, because Chris has got a Monaro.
Yeah, HK.
Yeah. He keeps getting sidetracked and building everything else. He's not finishing that.
Hell of a nice guy, you know.
Yeah, no, he is.
So they're in numbered order, Tim.
Well, apart from the panel beater, one on two different.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's one in there. Tim's put all the glue around the edges. Lining's in up there.
double or
Yeah, I probably will, mate. Yeah.
get them in before you put your window in. Yeah, drill your holes.
Oh, right.
That's how I did.
Yep.
You can put retractables in, or you...
I don't know. Maybe not. So there seems to be these little hooks here. There goes along here. So while we're at it, Tim's going to do these crash pad. That'll need repairs, and he's going to recover these sun visors and the parcel shelf and the kick panels. So we'll get all that done too. That glue's pretty good stuff, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, looking good, mate.
Make sure some of the bows, sometimes the pockets stick to the bows a bit and you get a little kink in them.
Oh, yeah.
Make sure I haven't caught anywhere before I keep going and then go, oh, fuck it, I missed a bit.
That looks good.
So your stainless like.
I've had it repaired.
Yeah. Yeah, because not, you know, like I said, not all jobs go to plan. Yeah, whether it be time or even just the finish or, you know.
Yeah, sure.
And it's how you deal with it, as, you know. Because it's that guy, like, he was actually quite a nice guy. He was this. Yeah.
Doing the last finishing touches around here. differential's been done. Holes cut out for the mirrors and the indicator. And the interior lights.